Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the work area and removing oils. Wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to reveal true scratch depth. Once done, test with your fingernail. If it doesn't catch, it's likely a surface scratch you can polish. Make a small baking soda paste or use non-gel toothpaste. These mildly abrasive pastes gradually abrade the edges of the scratch to blend it. Use a cotton swab to apply in circular motions for short bursts. Now you transition to controlled polishing. Apply the paste or polishing compound to a clean microfiber pad and use gentle circular strokes for 30 to 60 seconds per pass so you remove material evenly. Avoid pressing hard or generating heat that could damage coatings. If scratch remains, step up to a fine polishing compound and repeat in short cycles. Then wipe and inspect under angled light to see progress. Make sure to alternate pads to avoid reintroducing abrasives. Finish by cleaning all residue with isopropyl and a microfiber cloth. Then apply a tempered glass screen protector to mask remaining minor scratches and restore feel. If scratches are deep and affect display or touch, you need a screen replacement or professional service because polishing removes coatings and can worsen damage. If touch response or sensors degrade after polishing, stop and seek repair. That troubleshooting step prevents further damage. Remember, prevention with a protector avoids most of this work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.